Hi, Patricia. This is Patricia, girls and guys. And guess what? She has tried to find somebody that knows how to do her hair up where she lives. And where do you live?
I'm in Sussex County, New Jersey, so about an hour and 35 minutes from here.
Okay, so tell me the experience you've had.
So I had my haircut here almost exactly a year ago. I have tried to find someone closer to me who could follow the haircut. Unsuccessful. I've given it 3 attempts and each haircut just got worse and worse. I went to 3 different hairdressers. They all say they can do this haircut. None of them can.
So tell me what the problem is.
It's way too heavy up here. And then I feel like I almost have like a mullet kind of a haircut.
Now let me show them. Like, look, turn. You see like this. Right here. It's too heavy right here. Some layers have to be up top. Now let me see the other side. Now see how it's like a little bit more of a ledge here? See, the layer should come here, come down. So that's what's missing. And that would come from sections up here. Let me see the back. Okay, here we go. There, you see that? See how, where's the layers missing? Up here, there should be layers here. So really, this is not too bad. But you see how it almost goes in? It's like, this is like a, it goes in. It's almost like a, what do they call it? The octopus haircut, right? It kind of looks like that. It goes in and then it has all of this. So I want to see, is this layered? So this is layered, but almost it's pulled up. So this is super thick down here, but there's nothing here also. That this should be pulled out to a 90 degree and go all the way up. All right, good.
Yeah.
So anything else that you want to share?
I feel like one side was cut up and one side was cut down, because I do have a wave to my hair and I cannot even leave it wavy because it won't lay right on both sides. One side goes up, one side goes down. And this is even after I had styled it, mousse, hairspray, the whole 9 yards. By the end of the day, it just falls. It's too heavy.
Okay, good. All right, guys, get ready. We're going to do our magic. You were awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
Ta-da! All right, so we got to have her turn around and show you the difference now. Now, do you feel the difference?
Oh yeah.
Patricia?
Yep.
Look at how beautiful.
Feels so much lighter and
Look
airy.
at the layers up here. Okay, let me show you the back too. Look at the back. The layers start here. So that's where you have to look. If you think you're doing it and you're pulling it all the way up here, you're never going to get the layers up top. This crown is the most important part, guys. Okay, let's see this side. And listen, she's got gorgeous curl too. I mean, she's got Farrah Fawcett hair for sure, like on her own. Like, if it's cut right, she could do anything to this hair. We could make it curly for the whole summer, her whole bottom, and then just blow out her top.
Perfect.
You were awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
Yay.
Finally. Thank you.